Just two moves to get rid of your big belly and have a slim waist. Swing your legs for 5 minutes every day. Dredge meridians and maintain knee joints. I have practiced all one movement, including my shoulders, neck, waist, and legs. It is very comfortable. Soothe the body and regulate chi. Do 30 morning exercise every day to refresh and refresh your mind. 3 moments to fully exercise your shoulders and neck. Leg swinging exercise. If your legs and feet are not flexible, you must practice more. With one movement, you can train your waist, hips, shoulders, and leg to perfection. Move the entire shoulder 5 minutes a day makes you feel relaxed. Shake hands left and right 100 times a day, no shoulder pain, relaxed arms. Lift your knees and swing your arms to slim down your whole body in one moment. Chest enlargement exercise 100 times a day to relax shoulders and neck, relaxed and healthy. One action to slim down the whole body. Swing step. Shoulder and neck discomfort. It is easy to practice like this with me. Quickly increase energy.